Global warming refers to the rise in Earth's average surface temperature. This increase is primarily due to greenhouse gases. These gases trap heat in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, or CO2, is a major culprit. Methane, or CH4, and nitrous oxide, or N2O, also contribute. Human activities increase these gases. The atmosphere is getting thicker. This traps more heat. As a result, the planet warms up. This process disrupts natural climate patterns. Climate change and global warming are often used interchangeably. However, climate change refers to long-term changes in temperature and weather patterns. Global warming specifically focuses on the temperature rise. Scientists have been studying this for decades. The evidence is clear and alarming. Fossil fuels are a major source of greenhouse gases. Burning coal, oil, and natural gas releases CO2. This happens in power plants, vehicles, and factories. Fossil fuels have powered human progress, but at cost. They are a large part of the global warming problem. Deforestation also contributes. Trees absorb CO2. When they are cut down, this CO2 is released. Forests are cleared for agriculture, logging, and urban development. This not only releases CO2, but also reduces the planet's ability to absorb it. Industrial activities generate emissions too. Factories produce goods but also emit pollutants. These include CO2, methane, and other gases. Industrial processes often rely on fossil fuels. They also produce waste that can release greenhouse gases. Human activities are driving global warming. Each of these actions adds more greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. We must understand these contributions to address the problem effectively. Global warming leads to higher temperatures. This affects weather patterns. Heat waves become more frequent and severe. Droughts can last longer. Some regions may experience more intense rainfall. This can cause flooding. Melting glaciers are another consequence. Glaciers and ice caps store large amounts of fresh water. As they melt, sea levels rise. This threatens coastal communities. Low-lying areas are particularly at risk. Rising seas can also cause saltwater intrusion into freshwater resources. Extreme weather events are becoming more common. Hurricanes and typhoons can grow stronger. Warmer oceans fuel these storms. They can cause widespread damage and loss of life. The economic impact of these events is also significant. Global warming affects every part of the world. It's not just a future problem. We are already seeing the effects. Addressing global warming is urgent. The consequences will only get worse if we do nothing. Section 4. Impact on ecosystems and health. Ecosystems are sensitive to temperature changes. Plants and animals may struggle to survive. Some species may become extinct. Others may migrate to new areas. This can disrupt local ecosystems. Coral reefs, for example, are bleaching and dying due to warmer oceans. Human health is also at risk. Heat waves can cause heat stroke and dehydration. Air quality can worsen, leading to respiratory problems. Diseases can spread more easily in warmer climates. This includes vector-borne diseases like malaria and dengue fever. Food and water supplies are affected too. Droughts can reduce crop yields. This can lead to food shortages and higher prices. Water scarcity becomes a problem as well. This is especially true in arid regions. The impact of global warming is far-reaching. It affects ecosystems, health, and our daily lives. The situation is dire. but there are ways to mitigate these impacts. Section 5. Scientific warnings and targets. Scientists have been warning about global warming for decades. The IPCC provides regular reports based on extensive research. They highlight the urgent need for action. The Paris Agreement aims to limit global warming. Countries target well below 2 degrees Celsius. This requires significant emission reductions. Immediate and sustained action is crucial. Section 6. Solutions and the importance of awareness. Renewable energy is a key solution. Wind, solar, and hydroelectric power produce no greenhouse gases. Transitioning to these sources can significantly reduce emissions. Energy efficiency is another important strategy. This includes using less energy for the same tasks. Reforestation can absorb CO2 from the atmosphere. International agreements are crucial too. Education and awareness are vital. Acting on global warming requires a multifaceted approach. The time to act is now.